According to Drive Smart Virginia, distracted driving is related to 80% of traffic crashes in Virginia, and cell phones are the #1 distraction for drivers. If a cell phone distraction leads to a crash, you could face enhanced criminal charges. Here now to tell us more is attorney Paul Hernandez from Kalfus Nacman. Paul, welcome back to the Hampton Road Show. Obviously, we all know that distracted driving is a big problem, a major problem, but if you get caught and if you do something wrong, you could really pay the price.
You could, but we definitely know that distracted driving is the #1 reason for car wrecks, period. And we also know that using a smartphone is the worst of the distractions that cause the most and the most severe wrecks. But what people don't know, assume you get in a motor vehicle accident and you hurt somebody badly. You may get charged with following too close, running a red light, reckless driving. However, if there is an ability to prove that there was a willful or wanton action, such as total distraction by using your cell phone, doing something on Facebook, those charges can get aggravated to involuntary manslaughter, aggravated involuntary manslaughter, and some of those have jail times up to 20 years. Things we have no idea just by using a cell phone.
Now, is that the case of enhanced criminal charges? Is that what they are?
Exactly. It's an enhanced criminal charge. And it all came about by, just lately, it was just in the news of a young lady in North Dakota who was driving with her grandmother, and she was on Facebook while she was driving. Okay. She wrecks into the back of a vehicle. She kills her grandmother. Bad enough already.
That's awful.
It was proven that she was on her cell phone. Now she has negligent homicide charges against her.
You mentioned it was proven. How can it be proven in court of law?
Well, it's very difficult for the police to do it at this present time. Some new case law just came down. But if there's the ability for them to be able to look at your cell phone, if it's not password protected, if somebody shows it to them and it shows that they were on, or you were on the cell phone at the time, or using the smartphone at the time, it may be used against you.
I guess the bottom line is use good judgment when you're driving. Try to stay off your phone. Be careful of distracted driving. It's just not cell phones. It's so many other ways as well.
It's all types of distraction, but the cell phones are by far the worst.
Your advice to anyone who might have problems with this?
Of course. You got if you've ever been involved in an accident and you think somebody was on the cell phone when it happened, give us a call. We do this every day, all day.
Okay. Also, Kalfus Nacman is involved with the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer event in Hampton Roads that we just heard about, and the ladies look great in their pink. Talk about Kalfus Nacman's involvement.
Right. Well, we're not the largest sponsor. We just started sponsoring it this year. We're very excited for it. We're going to have some people out there. It's a great cause. We encourage everybody to attend. Additionally, hopefully we're out here. Hopefully it won't rain. It'll be a wonderful event. Right. But we plan on being partners with them in the future as well.
If you have any questions for Paul Hernandez, you can reach him at Kalfus and Nacman, legalmatters.kalfusnacman.com, or give him a call on the Hurt line, 1-800-HURT-LINE, and download the Kalfus and Nacman iPhone app. You never know when you will need it. As always, great advice, Paul Hernandez. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks, Chris.